If you're one of the many people who use Messenger, you know that unsending a message can be hard. Thankfully, Vanish mode aims to ease that worry by allowing you to send a disappearing message without interrupting the flow of your conversation, and it's finally, slowly rolling out worldwide. If you use Messenger and you want to try this yourself, here's how to activate it. To turn on Vanish mode, just hop into Messenger and find the contact you want to try it out on. Once you've got the conversation open, just slowly swipe up to activate Vanish mode. To exit the mode, just swipe up again. If you're having trouble doing this or you can't seem to get it to work, you can also tap on your contact's name from the conversation screen, then find and toggle on the mode from the menu that pops up. If you're having trouble finding this feature, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app on your phone. This feature has yet to be rolled out globally, so if you still don't see it even after updating, it might not be available in your region yet. If you still need to use Messenger to send a vanishing message but you don't have access to it, you'll have to make do with Messenger's mobile app exclusive Secret Conversation feature. Tapping on Go to Secret Conversation opens a separate chat with your contact with a lock icon on their profile picture. You can then send disappearing messages here by tapping on the stopwatch icon next to the text box and setting how long the messages last before deleting themselves. The timer starts only after your contact sees the message. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Messenger and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.